could use that for this pageant, throughout this pageant, siguro ma-apply nila to para let's just have fun, enjoy the pageant and be bubbly and have fun.
Hi, Sean.
Hello.
As a potential candidate, what do you think is your niche or edge among the others?
Edge. I mean, I look at the other candidates as equal, I would say. Pero, yun nga, as I said, siguro, as my character, I'm a very fun person, adventurous, and bubbly person. Siguro, for this pageant, that would be my edge.
Hi, Sean.
Hello,
This is your question. If you're given a chance to participate in international competition, what preparation would you do?
Preparations.
Yes.
I would start with my physical. I would work out 4 to 5 times a week, I would say so. And then also with my mental. Siguro I would take my time and improve my mental well-being. Also, my communication, siguro I would say, I would improve on that so I can be ready and prepared for the internationals.
Thank you so much. Hello, Sean. Hello, Sean Ivan. Ang tanong ko, bakit ikaw ang pipiliin ng mga hurado para manalo?
Bakit ako bibili ng mga kurado? Siguro, everyone has their own uniqueness pero myself, I would say, I have the grit, the perseverance throughout this pageant. Siguro, throughout this pageant, I will do my best and be performative on every task you give me po.
Hello, hi, my name is Eric. Most definitely, it's not really easy for you to come here and do the screening. What was the deciding factor for you to join this screening?
The factor was, gusto ko lang po magkaroon ng experience, another list to my bucket na I could overcome these types of pageant, especially this one po. Sana ma-overcome and gain new experiences para ma-improve yung myself as a better person.
Good evening, I'm Giovanni from Makati. What makes you proud of yourself? Ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, ano yung mapagmamahal mo sa sarili mo? Kung maging proud ka para sa sarili mo, sa pagsabi mo. What makes proud of yourself? So, ibig sabihin, sa Tagalog, ano yung mapagmamahal mo sa sarili mo? Sa pagsabi mo dito.
Ay, pagmamalaki ko po yung my skills, especially this one. Hindi naman talaga ako a very communicative person. I'm a shy and introvert person if you ask my friends po. Pero as I go through all this pageant, I think I can be proud na I can speak with you with my heart and speak with you clearly and with integrity po.
Meron. Gcash daw. Jokes. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Candidate number 4.
Great day po.